Puffins are fascinating little birds. And did you know they use twigs as tools? These clever creatures have been observed picking up sticks to help them dig out burrows or even to scratch themselves. This behavior showcases their intelligence and adaptability. It's not just about finding food, it's about using their environment to solve problems. Watching puffins manipulate twigs is a reminder that tool use isn't just for primates. Nature is full of surprises, and puffins are a perfect example of how creativity can thrive in the animal kingdom.